this month's PropTech industry news. I'm Shelly.
And I'm Lindsay, and we have another month of fun facts for you. So Shelly is a little bit of an adrenaline junkie, and she likes to participate in some extreme sports.
Yep, and a fun fact about Lindsay is she grew up a little shy, but she did have the courage to participate in talent shows, and she really enjoys dancing. So with that, now that you know a little bit more about us, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. This month, we're going to be covering preventative maintenance and how that affects property owners and property managers. So Lindsay, could you just tell us a little bit more about what preventative maintenance is?
Yes, so preventative maintenance is essential for everyone that owns an HVAC system, but it's especially important for property owners and managers. And it's really important to maintain the health and safety of your tenants, as well as making sure that you're not prematurely replacing your equipment. And along with preventative maintenance, it's also essential to know your HVAC analytics, help increase your tenant satisfaction, as well as plan for capital expenditure.
Can you talk a little bit more about tenant satisfaction?
Yeah, so tenant satisfaction is a top priority for commercial property owners and managers, as keeping their residents happy and comfortable increases their probability of staying within their units. And especially during the heat of the summer, during busy season for contractors tend to carry about 2 to 3 weeks backlog of work, and that can significantly impact tenant satisfaction in a negative way if their work isn't getting done quick enough. So if you're on top of your preventative maintenance, however, only doing a few minor repairs throughout the year can really save you from doing an emergency fix of all of your HVAC units.
How do analytics play a role?
So analytics can give you important insight into which one of your systems are the most energy efficient, cost efficient, as well as get notifications for when certain problems happen within specific systems so that you can fix them immediately.
What about capital planning?
So creating a capital planning strategy is really important, especially if you're managing multiple properties, because without preventative maintenance, you have a much higher chance of your equipment breaking down, always at an inconvenient time, and these emergency repairs can really put you out of budget.
These all sound like very important topics to maintain a healthy HVAC system. Thank you so much for sharing with us today. And everyone, please tune in next month for another PropTech industry news.
Thank you.